Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Great Wealth, where we talk about forex trading. How can we trade forex with the help of expert advisors and robots? Guys, today's video is about EFTP EA. EFTP EA we have been trading since 2021. In my last video, I mentioned that I'm closing this account and we'll start creating the videos from another account. So definitely we have created another account, but I was not able to close all the trades on this account. So that is the reason I was just waiting to close all the trades, and in this somehow we we almost complete 1 month. So it's 9 months now. So I'm creating the video on this right now, and after that whatever video if I create on EFTP, that will be from a different account that I will also show you from where we start from. Okay, so this is 5,000 we have started with. I will so guys, we have used 5 pairs here. Two are NZD pairs, two are Euro pairs, and one is Australian dollar NZD, that is again an NZD pair. So this is a mistake that I have done in the very first start. However, I used to prefer and I used to suggest to people to diversify the pairs. In this case, we have used 2 Euro pairs and 3 NZD pairs. So that was my mistake, but whoever are using EFTP, whoever has taken EFTP from me, I used to suggest them to diversify the pairs. In case if you would like to take 1 Euro pair, that is fine, 1 USD pair, that is fine, 1 NZD pair, that is fine, and 1 Australian dollar, that is also fine. So just make it diversified, and should not be say like in this case, if anything bad or good happens in New Zealand dollar, right? So it will impact all the 3 pairs together: NZD CHF, NZD CAD, and even Australian dollar NZD2, because NZD is a part of that, right? And the same thing, like if something good or bad happens in Euro, so that will impact Euro GBP and Euro CHF both. So idea is to diversify the pair so that even in case something good or bad happens with one with one currency, it will not impact your balance or the drawdown or the floating kind of activities in your account, right? So and also, like if you are using couple of pairs, like 3-4 pairs or 4-5 pairs, then it can diversify your risk as well. Like in case if 1 or 2 pairs are not doing very well, they are in I mean something bad happens in the market, they are bringing some good amount of drawdown, then that can be adjusted with the other 3 currency pairs, because you are using 5 currency pairs, and according to that your equity is, right? So in this case, as I have started with 5,000 means like 1,000 per pair. However, if you are trading with just 1 pair, then I would not suggest $1,000 to trade 1 pair, because that is the minimum that I suggest, because for forex market is very unexpected and anything can happen at any time, right? So if you are just using just 1 pair, probably I would suggest you to trade with some higher amount, maybe 1,200, 1,500 or 1,800, or like whatever you can afford. Also, like don't try to be rich as soon, because forex market is not a game or something sure shot. There is nothing called sure shot in forex market, and there is no alternative to risk actually, right? Risk is always there, risk will always be there. Risk is even there when you are walking on the road, risk is also there when you are driving a car or a bike on the road, right? So you can just lower the risk, but you cannot mitigate the risk or remove the risk overall. So what you can do, that you can, if your destination is far, or like whatever your destination is, just keep good amount of fuel in your car or bike, so that you, even in case if the road is not good, or if there is a maintenance thing going on, or if the road is closed or the road is blocked or anything else, if you have to divert to some other place where you need to go extra 30 to 35 miles or 40 to 50 kilometers, then probably if you have limited fuel, then you will stuck in between. So have some extra fuel in your vehicle. The same thing applies to your account balance as well. If you don't have like a very good amount of equity, then it's better to trade with a cent account. If you don't have 1,000 or 1,500, then probably if you have 500 US dollar, you can convert it into US cent and can trade with a cent account. There is nothing bad with that. I mean, rather than losing the entire 500 US dollar account in a standard account, it's better to trade on standard account. At least you will gain something, and you can minimize your risk as well. So this EFTP EA is an artificial intelligence EA which acts differently on different kind of situations. You cannot predetermine that it will take this much of lot size, or this much of, like, whether it will open multiple trades at one time, or single trade, or I mean, it will take the trade opposite to the trend or similar to the trend. Like, it used to behave differently in different kind of market, and it can work on any currency pair. It can work very good on gold and anything. But yes, I would prefer, uh, and this better works on currency pairs. It has an inbuilt news filter. News filter means, like, it will not trade or take additional trade during the most volatile sessions, during the news sessions. Right? So maybe 1 hour before and 1 hour later. But if there are some already existing trades of that particular currency pair, then it will try to manage all those pairs. But idea is not to open additional trade during those time when some very high volatile or that kind of volatile news events are there. Guys, in the video description, you will find 3 links. One is about Expert Advisor, like in this case, EFTP EA videos, right? And you will also find a Google Drive link where I used to upload the trading reports. Like, this is the account history that I'm showing you right now. And I have already created the trading report of this particular account, because our record of 9 months, it usually take very long time. So I did it in advance, just few minutes before creating the video. So I will replace the old trading report with this new one. And there are other account trading history as well, from different kind of accounts that we have traded in the past from last 2 years. So if you can just click on that, you can trades, you can just download, or can check, or you can view all the trading history with the currency pairs that we have traded with, and all those stuff. Okay, and there is a third link which will take you to the playlist of all the Expert Advisor videos that I have uploaded in this channel. Okay, so feel free to explore all of these, all of the playlist, all of the Expert Advisor videos. And if in case if you have any query, you can contact me by email or Telegram. Telegram is most preferred because I can respond to those queries very frequently over chat. However, on email, uh, I don't check my emails very frequently, maybe twice in a day or maybe thrice in a day. So depends on at what time you send me an email, and you can expect a reply. I will also reply as soon as I see that email. But again, if you have any query, then responding, then response from my side, then response from your side, generally it used to take some time to get an exact solution for that, right? So even if you don't use Telegram, I would prefer to install, just for the sake of purpose, to communicate with me, and later on you can just disable that once you find a solution, in case if I have. So please join my Telegram channel also. That's not very new, but please join my Telegram channel. That's the link is there in the video description. And again, feel free to ask me any question if you have about forex or forex trading or anything, even if not that is related with any expert advisor that I created in this channel. I would prefer to take any question regarding the expert advisor that I have uploaded in this channel, or either any general forex query if you have. So you can contact me via email or Telegram, any of those. All right, it's a record of 9 months, so it's taking time. And guys, as I mentioned, like I used to create the videos, everything from scratch, like from where I started with and where we are today, right? So it is something I am just showing you to show the consistency of the expert advisor. There is nothing that I'm guaranteeing you that this expert advisor is going to make you the similar kind of profits in the future as well. But as with any kind of investment, whatever you invest, you always look like what how it has performed in the past. You never know about the future, but to anticipate about the past or just analyze about the past how it has performed, you invest in that, right? So it is the similar kind of stuff. I don't know about future, but yes, so far what it has performed, how it has performed, it is something that I can show, and it is from the same account you have seen. I'm not I'm not taking a break to add some other kind of account. It is all the trading from the same account from last 9 months. Okay, so this is the result in front of you. With a deposit of 5,000, we made 2646.93 in 9 months, right? And if you would like to see the running trades, these are the running trades right now, about 202.201.74. And if you would like to see the trading history, let me just show you the trading history. I've just created just few minutes back. You can see just the date over here, since this is a history of almost like 9 months, so it takes some time to get populated, so I don't want to waste that kind of time, so I created it just a few minutes earlier before creating this video. Okay. Guys, this expert advisor also has a feature. As you can see that there are sometimes there are some high lots have been used. So in case if you are someone who is looking to trade with only same kind of lot size, or then probably it has a setting where the lot size will not increase. But in that case, with the kind of market that is going on right now, it will take some time, maybe sometimes it like few days or maybe couple of days, maybe few weeks also. Like if you're using the same lot size, it's not certain that the market will come in your direction to touch your TP, right? So on my side, I mean, I used to take a little risk and use as what the EA can do, because it is an artificial intelligence EA, and it used to determine what strategy has to use, how much lot size has to use, and you cannot determine that in a particular situation how it is going to behave, right? because it used to consider a lot of factors, and then accordingly it used to take a decision accordingly. Right. So the video is getting longer, so let me just drag it to the result, because in any case I will be uploading this trading report and replacing the old one, so you can always check it from there. Okay, so this is I mean, a few minutes earlier, before creating the video, this was a floating, and even right now also, like minus 205 or 201 was the floating, right? You can see the gross profit, gross loss, and you can see the profit factor, you can see the expected payoff, and everything is in front of you, right? So in case if you have any question, you can contact me. And before I finish this video, let me just show you the other account. Yeah, so this is the other account, what I was talking about, that I will be closing the previous account and will be continuing this account as long as possible, but depends on situation to situation, even because I'm still in the middle of testing couple of expert advisors. So, but yes, this is like I've started with just 2 pairs just last week, and with a deposit of 3500, and you can work it on cent account or standard account, whatever you want to. As I said, if you are using less pair, then I would prefer to make your equity a little higher. Okay, so we started with 3500, and it's been just 2 weeks, right? Last week and this week. So in this case, we have used properly diversified pairs, right? One is we have used NZD-CAD, and one is Euro USD. Both are different pairs, kind of different pairs. And if you want like to see, we made a profit of 344, that is approximately 10%. Like at 350 it would be 10%, it's almost 344, that is approximately equal to 10%. Okay, and if you see the trade, these are the running trades right now, right? These are the running trades. I will not create account history because I was just showing you that this is the account. I will be closing the previous account, and probably from now onwards, if I have to create a video, I will create a video from this account. And because I have used different, like I have included Euro USD here and with NZD-CAD, and I'm not using any other pair that will create a conflict, right? As I said, diversify the pairs. So guys, any questions, any query, feel free to contact me over email or Telegram. Thank you very much for watching, and look forward to talk to you soon. Bye.